People don't remember how you look, they remember how you make them feel. And today I'm giving you 10 English words that will upgrade your personality instantly. Welcome back to LexiQuesta Academy, where we learn English in a powerful, practical, and life-changing way. Day 2 is all about personality upgrade words, the kind of vocabulary that makes you sound confident, mature, and impressive in conversations. Let's begin. The first word is charming, someone who has a naturally pleasant presence. A charming smile or charming personality makes people feel comfortable around you. Example, she has a charming way of talking. Next is polite, someone who speaks with respect. Being polite can open more doors than talent. Example, always be polite, even when others are not. Third word, humble, someone who stays grounded, no matter how successful they become. Example, he achieved so much, yet he remains humble. The fourth one is loyal, someone who stands with you through thick and thin. Example, a loyal friend is a treasure. Then comes honest, truthful and sincere. People trust honest people instantly. Example, be honest, even when it's hard. Before we continue, if this series is helping you improve your vocabulary and personality, please subscribe to LexiQuesta Academy. Your support truly motivates me to keep creating valuable content for you. Let's move on. Sixth word, creative, someone who thinks of new, unique ideas. Example, your creative thinking can solve big problems. Seventh word, adaptable, able to adjust to any situation. Example, adaptable people succeed anywhere. Eighth word is responsible, someone who takes tasks seriously. Example, he is responsible and completes every task on time. Ninth word, kind-hearted, gentle, caring, and soft-spoken people who spread positivity. Example, a kind-hearted person makes the world better. And the final word is mature, someone who handles situations calmly and wisely. Example, she responded in a very mature way. These 10 words don't just improve your English, they improve you. Your personality becomes stronger, softer, more confident, and more memorable. Daily challenge. Comment, I choose to upgrade my personality. This is LexiQuesta Academy, helping you level up your English and your life, one word at a time. LexiQuesta Academy, learn smart, speak fluent.